screaming words we did not mean. A crazy scene. Was it real or just appeal? My couch is so big.
AI music videos are blowing up right now and you should jump on it. In this video, I will show you how I created this AI music video using just AI without any editing at all.
My place looks strange now. You've gone wow. Empty space surrounds me, haunts me.
To achieve the result you saw at the beginning of this video, we are going to use Suno AI to first of all create our AI music. After creating our AI music, we are going to turn that AI music into a cool AI video, and AI is going to do all this for us. So don't worry, just sit tight and watch this video from beginning to the end. When you come to this website, simply go over here, the left hand side where you see create. You are going to see this particular option. There are different options you can use from here. You can upload an audio of your voice or any audio at all of the music, and it's going to generate that. You can also use lyrics, paste in lyrics, and it's going to use your lyrics to generate your music. To get your lyrics, you can use ChatGPT or Google Gemini to generate lyrics for your music. But if you don't have that, I want this website to handle everything for you, then just type in the description of the kind of music you want to create. Then you are going to come down here, this place where you see create, just click on that and your music is going to start curating. After some few seconds of waiting, your music is going to be generated. So over here you will see the music that has been generated, and you can click on this play button to listen to how the music sound like before you download your music. Let's listen to how this music sounds like.
Place looks strange now. You've gone wow.
That is the first sample. Let's take a look at the second sample of the music.
My place looks strange now. You've gone wow. Empty space surrounds me, haunts me. Was it real?
After you are listening to your music and you are satisfied with the result you have gotten, then you can simply go ahead and click on these three dots, click on it, and from here you are going to see this download option, so you can download this music as MP3. You can also go ahead to generate video from this music, but we are not going to come to that. So click on here to download this music as MP3. So click on any download anyway, that has been downloaded. If you want to create another music, you can still go ahead to create another music. And now we'll come to the next part, which is to turn that music into a music video. And for this particular part, we are going to be using a website called OpenArt. This is going to handle everything for us. We don't need any editing. This website is going to handle everything. When you come to this website, I will leave the link to this website in the description of this video, so you can simply use that to come to this website. So when you come to this website, you are going to see these three options from here. What you have to do is to come over here and click on music video. This particular dashboard is going to be open for you. Here we have two options of inputting your music. So here you can paste the music video link from YouTube, from anywhere. You can just paste the music video link from here and continue, or you can upload your music. So we are going to be using this second option, and that is why we created our music using Suno. So I'm going to click on upload, and then from here we are going to upload a file, which is the music video we just generated. So here is the music video. Click on it and then click on open. The music has been uploaded, so you come down here and click on confirm. After the music has been uploaded, then you need to scroll down here where you see mode. So these are different modes that you can use to generate your music video. We have, if you want a character to sing your music, then you are going to click on the sing option. If you want to use style, then you click on style. If you want to use story, then you select story. If you want to create lyrics for your music, then you select lyrics. Let's go ahead and use the sing option here. So I'm going to click on sing. While that has been selected, then here, this is where you add your character, the character that you want to voice out your music. So for this character, I'm going to select this Vera. So once I select her, the character has been curated. So here I'm going to describe her performance. So you can simply quickly describe her performance where you want her to be. So let's say I want her to be in a club stage. So this is where I want her to be. So after that, you come down here and select your aspect ratio. So for this aspect ratio, we are going to be creating this music for a 16:9 aspect ratio. That is the YouTube normal video size. After that, you can enable either of these options. If you want to have a B-roll over your video, meaning if you want to have extra footages over your video, then you can enable the B-roll option. But for this B-roll option, I'm going to cancel that, or let's just allow that. Then beat sync, make sure that is enabled. Then come down. If you want to show lyrics over your video, you enable the lyrics option here by turning on this slider. Then you can then come down, and here you can click on create full video to start your video curation, and that is what I'm going to do right now. And right now our video is being generated. Let's just sit tight and take a look at the final result. And right now, after some minutes, you have your video ready. We are going to take a full preview of this video so that you enjoy the music at the end of this video. So don't forget, the link to this particular website is in the video description and you can use that. So instead of spending hours editing video, just take a look at the video, look at different scenes. So instead of you spending hours trying to edit your videos, adding different scenes and all that, just allow this website to handle everything for you. Okay, now let's take a full preview of this video. Don't mind the video that the voiceover is male while the singer is female. When you are doing yours, make sure your music voiceover should be male and your actor should be male. If you are going for a female voice music, make sure the voiceover should be female and the actor should be female. Just enjoy the video.
Place looks strange now. You've gone wow. Empty space surrounds me, haunts me. Was it real or just a pill? My couch is so big,